Try this keto blueberry yogurt breakfast spread that you could whip up in seconds.
Sizzle, serve, yum.
First up, you're going to be cracking 3 large room temperature eggs, and then you're going to go ahead and place them in your bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to this. Now, as you can see, I'm not using a measuring cup, but I can eyeball it. And then I want you to add 1/3 a cup of sweetener, which for me, I'm using Lakanto sugar. The next ingredient is using 1/3 a cup of melted butter. I'm using plant-based butter because I just love it using it. But you can use regular butter, salted as well. Then add 1/3 a cup of yogurt. I used coconut yogurt for this, unsweetened coconut yogurt, and you need to mix it thoroughly. Add 2 cups of almond flour, and then add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt for this recipe. Then mix it thoroughly again. And then you are going to add 1/2 cup of blueberries to this mix. Before that, I want to show you the consistency of almond flour can be a little strange. It looks almost like cornbread, but you're fine. When I add the blueberries, you want to fold them in as you are mixing it. I try not to crush them, and this is how it comes out looking. But yes, it kind of has a cornbread kind of look to it, but it's going to be different. Now here you're going to get your parchment paper and your loaf pan, and you're going to cut 2 slits on both sides. So notice how I'm measuring both of the corners as best as I can. And then I'm going to turn this paper around. And then I'm going to cut 2 more sides. One side here and the other side here. Now, once you're done making those cuts, you're going to push in the pan gently. And notice how I'm able to fold in the corners with ease so that way I can place my blueberry batter in my pan with no problem. And there you have it. You can see how easily it folds in. Ta-da! Okay, our next step is now we're going to scoop all of that delicious batter in, and then we're going to even it out with a spatula. And I'm not packing it down, guys. I'm just lightly spreading it across so that way it can bake evenly. And all right, now as you can see, we've spreaded out our batter. We're going to go to the next step and pop this in the oven. All right, now you get to see the results. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I will tell you, this is going to make for a delicious snack or a breakfast bread. You can go ahead and see the carb count that I've placed in the description for this loaf. But this one little slice is just enough with any cup of tea or coffee. Definitely great if you have a dairy allergy to like milk. You can avoid and swap out different ingredients. So go ahead, make sure you are sharing this video with friends and family that want that alternative and healthy type of breakfast bread like what we're showing now. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Tell me below, did you try this recipe?